Now the integration is square root of x, after that square root of x, after that square root of x up to infinity is dx. Okay. Now there are 2-3 ways to solve this. So let's solve first with the shortest way. Now this is infinity. Okay. Now this is up to infinity. Now if we remove from infinity, if we remove one term, it doesn't affect anything. Okay. Now let's consider, let y equals to this, whole this. Okay. Let y equals to whole this, square root of x upon square root of x into square root of x, square root of x, and so on. Okay. Now is equals to, now if I remove from here to here, okay, this is same as what? This is same as, if let y is this is same as x into, since this is same as y, okay, it is what? Y. This part from here to here up to infinity, if I consider this as a y, then therefore this term from here to here is a y. Okay, therefore it is y over here. Like squaring on both sides, we have y square equals to xy, because squaring and square root gets cancelled. Now if I cancel this, okay, if I cancel y, then y equals to x. Means what? This y become x. Therefore this integral, okay, this whole integral become what? X. Okay, dx. Therefore integration of x is what? X square upon 2 plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Now another way is, let's see. Now another way to solve this is, we can separate this. Okay, now let's separate this one. This is same as integral of square root of x. Now if I take this, then what will give square root of x, square root of x, because this is over here. Okay, this is over here. If then this, if I keep over here, okay, square root of x, then this, for this term, okay, for this square root will be up, since square root is there, one square root, therefore this square root will be over here. Okay, similarly again another will be what? Square root of x, and so on. Okay, as you know, square root of x is what? X raised to half. Okay, now this is same as x raised to half into here what? X raised to half, here x raised to half, again here. Okay, now this is, therefore x raised to, this is what? X raised to half. Again if I put here, then it will be what? Half. Okay, this is same as 1 by 2 into 2 is, so you can say 1 by 4. Okay, so you can write over here 1 by 4. Over here x raised to 2, here 2 into 2, here 2 square, 2 cube will come over here. Okay, 2, 1, 2, 3, here 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are, here x 1 by 8 will come, and so on. Okay, since square root is there. Okay, here into 1 by 2, you can say x raised to 1 by 2 square is same as x raised to 1 by 4. Okay, this is here, this is x raised to this. Okay, here half. If base are equal, you can add the indices. Is half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 and so on. Okay, into here we have dx over here, we have dx over here. Okay, now this is same as integral x, this is summation of 1 by 2 raised to n. Okay, where n goes from here, n goes from, if n is 0, then 1 by 1. Okay, we cannot start from 0. If n is 1, you will get 2 raised to 1 is 2. Okay, so n from 1 to what? Infinity. Okay, into dx. Now this is geometric progression. Okay, now this is what? It is geometric progression. Okay, with what is this? Common ratio is what? 1/2. Okay, with common ratio is equals to 1/2. Therefore the sum to here, sum to infinity terms, sum of infinity term is given by, now here integral x, here first term is what? Here half, here now the common ratio is half is what? Is less than 1. Okay, now you have to subtract from what? 1. Okay, if the common ratio is greater than 1, then that common ratio should be subtracted, that minus 1. Okay, since common ratio is half is less than 1, this is the formula. Okay, here into dx. Therefore what is this? X raised to half, here half. Okay, if you take LCM over here, you'll get 2 minus 1. Half minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is half. Okay, so half, if I bring off 2 by 1, 2 gets cancelled. Here I have only x, integral x dx. Integral x dx is what? X square upon 2 plus c. Okay, this is the answer for 6 for the year 2020 MIT integration B qualifying exam.